How to add a calculator to your WordPress website in under 10 minutes using ConvertCalculator. ConvertCalculator is a software that allows you to build simple and advanced calculators for WordPress. It's more powerful than anything else available. First, create a free account. You can create a calculator from scratch or choose a template. I'll create one from scratch and add a few elements that we'd like. There are lots of elements. Inputs like range sliders, numbers, email fields, phone numbers, and more. Let's add a simple text field and name our calculator. Nice. Now let's add another calculation field. I've added a range slider. People can select something from a range, and I can assign values to that range. A button group can be used for a yes or no option. We'll quickly type in a question. And then assign values to the answers. Option 1 is cheaper, while option 2 is premium. For the range slider, I will add a prefix and a postfix. This makes interacting with the calculator easier. Now for the fun part, the actual calculation. Anything you can build in an Excel or a Google Sheet, you can build it here. It's very powerful. Let's add a good title and begin editing the formula. I'm using simple addition and multiplication. Besides math, you can show charts too. If you haven't spreadsheet ready with formulas, you can simply paste them. Make sure to check our other tutorial on how to convert a spreadsheet to a calculator. Next, add the prefix. I'll add a $sign since this calculator is supposed to show the total price. Maybe I'll add an email field to collect information. You can also add phone numbers, addresses, and more. I'll rename the text to "What's your email?" and then add a submit button. You can change the submit button text. Actions allow you to do powerful things. For example, send a PDF proposal to someone that submitted a form. Navigate them to a different section. Send data to HubSpot. Collect payments via Stripe. Send an SMS to the customer. For now, I'll do something simpler. Just send them to a different URL. I'll preview my calculator to check if things work as expected. And it seems like it does. No lag. Don't forget to customize the colors, font, and styling so the calculator fits your brand tone. There are lots of calculators to create. This one's a sunshine and tile cleaning calculator with different input fields like a drop-down. All these come together to display a price. This lawn care calculator asks for location to calculate distance and travel costs. It's a multi-step form which reveals one question at a time. It also handles error reporting well. The navbar at the top gives users a visual sense of their progress and display how soon users are to completing the form. It uses date and time selectors so people can book a time. At the final step, it calculates the price. This t-shirt order quote calculator gives visual options. Each can have a different price associated. The two column layouts show prices side by side as changes are made. This fire calculator has a lot of input fields and can handle complex calculations just like a spreadsheet would. It can calculate a real-time chart and a table based on users' inputs. You can build compound interest calculators. People can see the savings calculate real-time without hitting the Enter button. This calculator shows the dates national holidays fall on depending on the year the user inputs. Calculators can also calculate word count and character counts. You can reveal the output on Submit to increase engagement rates. This calculator calculates distance between two different points. You can show bar charts with before and after states. Design is flexible. Let's embed a calculator in WordPress. First, publish your calculator. You can even host it as a standalone page if you wanted an easier option. Then, we will embed it on WordPress. The first option is to use our WordPress plugin. You can follow the instructions that show up in the window here. Another option is simply paste the HTML code wherever it's allowed. This works on all types of sites, not just WordPress. First, drag the custom HTML block. Then, paste the code you copied from ConvertCalculator and click Preview to view it. If you run into issues, please contact our support. There are little nuances with each platform, and we can help resolve them quickly. And there you have it. This is how to add a calculator to WordPress.